farmer? Who's your roughneck? Who's your curb-built, dirty boots thrown on the back porch redneck? Who's the one you fix and drink? Watch out over your kitchen sink. Turn you on like a fiery alarm. Girl, who's your farmer? Who keeps planting them kisses on your South Georgia lips? Dancing in the rain with my hands on your hips. Who lives your life out in pretty little rows? Who keeps that red dirt between your pretty toes? Oh, say my name, let it echo through the holler. Who's your farmer? Who's your John Deere? Who's your cold beer? Who's the arms around you on a four-wheeler flying through a hay field? Who's your crooked smile in a t-shirt tan, homegrown southern charmer? Who's your farmer? Who keeps planting them kisses on your South Georgia lips? Dancing in the rain with my hands on your hips. Who lives your life out in pretty little rows? Who keeps that red dirt between your pretty toes? Oh, say my name, let it echo through the holler. Who's your farmer? Who works harder on loving you than any old hard-earned dollar? Tell me, who's your farmer? Girl, come on up here, let me show you how to drop a roll marker. Tell me, who's your farmer? Who keeps planting them kisses on your South Georgia?